Holyoke. It's fucking cold. I have taken a bus from the PVTA to the Holyoke Mall empty. That is very funny. He wants donuts.
Approaching Holyoke Mall.
Thank you for the ride. You too. Yo, that's how dead the mall is right now. There's two fucking PVTA buses right here, and they're dead. They're empty. There's nobody in there. Only drivers. How you doing? This is how the mall is right now, and I still have to come to fucking work. That is some funny shit. Dead ass mall, and I still have to come to work. That's some bullshit. Because my brown ass has to come to work. Look at this shit. Fan zone, close. Dollar store, close. Whatever the fuck this is, close. Whoop-de fucking dude is super busy. Look at this bullshit. That's busy as fuck. Look at this other bullshit. It's busy as fuck. Fucking bullshit. And I still have to come to work. This is a joke. Look at this. Close. 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 Macy's looks like it's gonna close in a few minutes. Yep, they're gonna close in a few minutes. Close. Close. God damn it. Close. Look at these floors. They're clean because nobody was here all day. Closed. Look at this bullshit. Apple store. Closed. Billy B's. Closed. Starbucks. Closed. Elevator. Empty. Mall. Closed. Fuck. Look at this bullshit. And I still have to come into work because why? If I don't come into work, they'll say I did not want to show up to work. Oh no, Jose does not want to come to work. I texted, called, and everything that I can do. I even called the governor's office to see if the roads were going to be closed so I don't have to call out from work. And they're still fucking closed. Fucking closed. Closed.